Good morning. Another day, another real world test. Today, we're doing it about the Pixel 4a, which I'm particularly interested to see how it does in this video. If you're not familiar, a real world test in this channel is where I'm gonna kind of go through my normal day. I'm gonna use the phone as if it's my normal phone, my SIM card's in here, all my messaging apps, everything that I normally use, I will be using. Just because you don't see it doesn't mean I didn't use it. And then we'll just check in on the battery throughout the day and kind of see how it does. I'll also take photos on it and some of its competitors and put all that up on the screen so that you guys can compare and see what you think. But first things first, I need coffee. Hi.
Hello. How are you? Are you actually filming me?
Yeah.
Coffee, check. The first thing I want to say about this phone is it feels a lot nicer and looks a lot nicer than I expected it to. Like, it looks better than the 3A did, for sure. And also, like, the design language is very much Google-esque. It reminds me of the Google Home I have sitting at home, along with all the other Nest devices, etc. So I think they kind of nailed it with the design, at least. We also have our beloved fingerprint sensor on the back that I know a lot of people were missing from, say, the 4 and the 4 XL. So that's kind of nice as well.
Yeah, whenever you're ready. You're all set.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Haven't even been walking for very long, but it is so hot out. I can like feel myself burning. So I just had to run in and get some sunscreen real quick. How'd I do? Good? Also, another iced latte because I don't know why not. Dual function. While we're sitting still though, let's check in on the battery for the first time. It is 12:42 p.m. and we are at 82%. Okay, met a friend of mine. This is Jeremy, Brunch Boys. I'll leave a link below to his awesome Instagram and his YouTube channel. You should go check them out. Fantastic food stuff. You should check it out. But we're camera nerds, and I'm super jealous of him because he just got the new R5 that I also ordered and has yet to show up. I hate you. I hate you. But we've been yakking about that for a while, and now I'm just going to continue on my journey, and we'll keep testing out this phone. Crazy is that they literally are like, it's a bunch of painters. They all just have like an image of what they're supposed to paint, and they're all just painting it at the same time in different places, like by hand. That's insane. Okay, real quick, let's talk about the screen, because it's actually pretty nice. So it has an OLED screen, which means that it has better contrast, better brightness, just like some of the other Pixels have had in the past. But honestly, the thing that matters to me is I can see it pretty well in the daylight, which is great. Also, they now have a punch hole, which I personally don't mind. I feel like maybe a lot of you don't like it, but I don't mind it. And I do think that with the bezels and with the punch hole, it definitely, I don't know, it definitely looks a lot more sleek to me than, say, the 3A did. Let's check in on the battery like we do. It is 7:24 p.m. and we are at 40%. Just realized that one of my favorite sushi places in my hood is open again after being shut for COVID for a while. We might have to stop and get a bite. Wait a second. That sounds like a band. And there we go. Let's call it a night there. It is 10:18 p.m. and we are at 16%. And here is my screen on time and my usage for those that are curious. But there you go. Also, I'll link to my buddy MJ at Gadget Match's video here and in the description below, as well as Michael Fisher, Mr. Mobile, his video below as well, because we all did very different videos. And so if you guys are interested in seeing more stuff about the Pixel 4a that maybe I didn't talk about, you can check both of those videos out. Overall for me though, I like it. I like this phone a lot, especially for 350 bucks. It feels much better, I think, than the price would suggest. The photos are great as per Pixel usual. They're not quite as good as the Pixel 4, I would say, and the 4 XL, but they're pretty darn close, and considering the difference in price, ooh, you know, is kind of good. But the difference is that, like, I kind of feel the battery life is maybe a little bit better on here. It's not amazing battery life compared to a lot of other devices that have gone through the ringer with this, but it feels better than a normal Pixel. I'll at least give it that. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of the phone, of this video, things you'd like to see me do more of or less of in the next one. I try to make it a little more vlog-like again. Again, I enjoy making them this way, but I want to make sure you guys are also happy with it as well. So please just give me some comments. Always love hearing from you guys. If you like this video though, please thumbs up it or share it. It's greatly appreciated. Also check out the rest of the channel. If you like what you see there, please subscribe and ding the bell next to subscribe so you get notified when I do new videos. As always though, regardless, thanks for watching.